See how it works. It's strong wind no 3 now. Will be promoted to no 8 later. Suddenly I really want to eat baked sago, chestnut, and pudding, so I went to the Barn Road Municipal Building and the vegetable market. What's the price of custard powder and sago? Sago comes into sizes medium and small. Be small. 14 yuan a pound. Won't have a catchy. Thanks. Then go buy chestnuts, coconut milk and evaporated milk. Are there any chestnuts that are ready to eat? Thanks. Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Today I am sharing the baked sago pudding with chestnut paste. Ingredients include chestnuts and sago, sugar, custard powder, 加入即释粉, butter and evaporated milk. There are 2 more eggs. There is no need to rush to copy down the ingredient quantities. In a few seconds, there will be a complete list of ingredients for everyone to take screenshots of. Process the chestnuts first. This kind of chestnut can be opened and eaten immediately. You can buy it wherever snacks are sold. Ready to eat as soon as you open the package, but not soft enough. It is recommended to steam it till soft. Then press it into chestnut puree. The amount of chestnuts can be increased or decreased according to personal preference. This time I used 80 grams. If you don't like chestnuts, you can substitute them with other ingredients. After boiling, steam for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take out. Crush it. You can use a blender to make it. The effect is better. The chestnuts are too dry. Add hot water and sugar and mix well. 80 grams of chestnuts, add a teaspoon of sugar. Add a little hot water. Mix well. Just like peanut butter. Spare 50 grams sago. After boiling, add sago. Some varieties of sago will dissolve when added to cold water. It must be cooked with boiling water. No matter what kind of sago. Stir it so it doesn't stick to the pan. Turn to medium to low heat. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Turn off the heat after 6 minutes and do not open the lid. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Cook the sago for 6 minutes, then turn off the heat and simmer for 10 minutes. See how it goes. See, there is still a bit of white in the center of the sago. This is enough. It will become transparent later. Pick up. Rinse with cold water. Cool it down and flush away mucus. Drain and set aside. Weigh the other ingredients. 200 grams of coconut milk. 200 grams of evaporated milk. 400 grams in total. 50 grams of sugar. Can be increased or decreased according to personal preference. About 40 grams of butter. The ratio of custard powder to coconut milk is 10 to 1. Coconut milk weighs 400 grams. So you only need 40 grams of custard powder. In fact, custard powder is corn flour, added food coloring and flavor. Beat 2 eggs. Add custard powder. Egg liquid. 1/3 coconut milk. Mix and stir well. Now deal with the coconut milk. Boil and dissolve 40 grams of butter. It is recommended to use unsalted butter, otherwise the pudding will taste salty. Add remaining coconut milk. White sugar. Bring it to boil. Turn off the heat after boiling. Add custard powder, coconut milk and egg mixture. Mix them. After mixing well, turn on low heat. Cook it until thick. As in the video, turn off the fire. Mix well. Add sago and mix well. Put half into the container. Smooth it out. Add chestnut puree. Smooth it out. Add remaining pudding. Smooth it out. Add a small amount of water to the baking pan to prevent the bottom of the pudding from burning. The baking time depends on the power of your oven. About 15 to 20 minutes. Bake the surface until golden brown. It will be similar to caramel color. satisfactory effect. Baked sago and chestnut paste pudding completed. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and click the notification button. Never miss video updates. Thank you all.